Okay, we're going to finish up this chapter, skills 9 and 10, actually two very different skills, but they're short videos, so I figured I'd just combine them together. And they're both sort of a review. We've learned about cut, copy, and paste, and you can do the same thing here in PowerPoint. So for example, if I want to select this reservations bullet here, we're just going to add a little twist to it. So here I'm selecting the reservations, right? So I click the bullet and it actually selected the text, which is kind of nice. Okay, and I'm going to choose to cut this out. So I'm going to click on cut. Okay, and so now I click where I want it to go, right? Because it's step 3. Step 1 is you select it. Step 2 is you pick cut or copy. Step 3 is click where you want it to go. Step 4 is typically paste. But what we're going to do here, instead of clicking the top half of the paste button, I'm going to take a look at my options on the bottom half of the paste button. Okay, so watch when I select each of these what happens in that right-hand box there. Use destination theme. Is it just going to bring it in because it's currently not a bulleted list over here in this box, so it's just going to bring in reservations. Okay. Keep source formatting. You see how when I have this selected, it takes the formatting from the source, which was my bulleted list, so it shows it there with a bulleted list. Okay. A picture doesn't make sense. Keep text only will bring just the text and none of the formatting with it, so just the text piece of it. Okay. So that's the one that we're actually going to go with here so that we have just the text for that particular one. So it's just a little modification on the whole cut, copy, and paste, that you have paste options and what they look like. You just want to, they make sense if you go over them. Okay, so then we're going to go up. We learned about Format Painter. Remember that Format Painter allows us to take the format of, so here we formatted this as a word art, we made it glowing, we did a few things to it. I'm going to select the outside portion of the placeholder, and I'm going to go up to my Format Painter tool, remembering that if you single click on it, then you can only format one thing. If you double click on it, you could format multiple things. Okay, so I'm going to single click on it, and I'm going to go down to, I'll go down here, and I'm going to apply it to this welcome right here by just simply clicking on it, and you can see how it then made it a size of 54, right? So, and had I double clicked on it, so now you see my Format Painter went away. Had I double clicked on it, what that would allow me to do is to then do multiple slides. So I could do this one, and then I could also do this one. So I could keep having Format Painter turned on, and then I either need to hit the escape key or click on Format Painter to make it go away. Okay, and one other reminder here that applies in PowerPoint is if you ever want to clear your formatting, because maybe you formatted the wrong thing, you can simply click on the outer edge of it, go up to the Home tab, and remember that little A with the eraser, which we saw in Word, is clear all formatting, and that brings you back to how it was formatted prior. Interestingly enough, doesn't change the alignment, but it does change the font, the character formatting. So that concludes PowerPoint Chapter 2. Hope you felt it was useful.